what's really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Cardano price action making its way downward here through this phase of sideways. We do have some bearish robo advisors in play ever since the beginning of September here, when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish on the 10th. We do have price action experiencing up to 24% in downside over the following just over a month here, currently sitting on up to 13% in downside at current levels since EngineeringRobo became bearish. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so at the moment, we're looking for key areas of support to suggest bullish areas of accumulation. We're waiting for some bullish robo advisors to come back into play. I do believe we are currently too close to a significant level of resistance at the moment to be comfortably accumulating. In addition to these bearish robo advisors, that does suggest perhaps continued consolidation, interaction downward, and solidification of support may be necessary before the uptrend can continue. Prices above this 200 daily moving average does suggest an uptrend overall. However, these factors in play do contribute to perhaps short-term or mid-term sideways or further confirmations of support here. So I'm watching out for a break of this resistance. $2.18 is going to be the key level we need to conquer to become bullish on accumulation near that level. At the moment, we're looking for support off of either continued buy pressure off of $1.92. We're looking for perhaps a bullish interaction with this 200 daily moving average that we see, similar prices on the sort of end of July here of this year before a bullish area of accumulation came into play with EngineeringRobo suggesting upside. We have an interaction with the 200 daily moving average price action. Between the sort of 19th of May here to the 21st of July, does seem slightly similar to this sort of phase of consolidation that we may be experiencing sort of more recently between the 23rd of August to sort of current prices. I do believe we are in this phase of sideways here towards support. Once support is found, I very much suspect the uptrend to continue. So as I mentioned, $1.92 could be support here for us. We're looking for continued buy pressure. We have that 200 daily moving average wherever it may be, maybe a bullish area of support as well, suggesting continued upside for the uptrend overall. We also do have a strong level of technical support waiting for us all the way down at $1.56, currently correlating with that 0.5 Fibba Bugatti line. We do have a technical key level of support waiting for us all the way down there at $1.56. So we do have key levels waiting for us along the way, watching out for that $2.18 resistance. I do believe Cardano has another shot at interacting with these almost $3 levels. In my opinion, $2.84 is going to be the key level of resistance I would like to see a significant rejection off of to perhaps suggest some prolonged bearish price action for Cardano. I do believe we are nearing the end of this phase of sideways here. We're just looking for support, and I would like some robo advisors to come back into play. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with Cardano at current levels. I mean, we've already seen well over double our money on Cardano with EngineeringRobo's buy signals back at the end of July. There we experienced up to 142% in upside, and we were able to capitalize on 86% in gains when we utilized EngineeringRobo's sell signals. So definitely gains have been made and capitalized on with Cardano. Now we're just waiting for a more bullish area of accumulation to start buying before the uptrend can continue. Watch out for these robo advisors to come back into play. Watch out for interactions with support. Now TRX against USD Tron coin price action interacting with these key levels, making its way upward here. We have prices above this 200 daily moving average suggesting an uptrend overall. We have some very aggressive consolidation, accumulation, and sideways ever since the 13th of August here. We have price action interacting with my bullish support line. I do believe 8 cents, 0.087 is going to be a key level of support for price action moving forward, and this was the bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside toward my next level of resistance here. After this very aggressive phase of sideways, we see robo advisors coming back and forth in and out of play. However, currently, under these current conditions, we are looking at all three of our chosen robo advisors back to bullish on price action as we make our way above what appears to be a resistance level. We're watching out for this 10 cent level. 0.101 is going to be a key level to confirm as support moving forward, with daily candles opening and closing wicks and body above that key level. That would further confirm it as support and potentially suggest a bullish area of accumulation near current levels. We do have that buy 4 returning just a few days ago. That was our third robo advisor becoming bullish. We now have the bull and golden cross in play currently, and price action above that 200 daily moving average as well does suggest continued upside. I do believe we are making our way to my immediate short-term target here. We have resistance overhead at 14 cents per TRX. I do believe price action will make its way to that key level of resistance. Once we have broken and confirmed it as support, we can then use that as a potential bullish area of accumulation. So we do anticipate continued upside here. We have a very strong phase of sideways and accumulation for the kind of past few months. I suspect some very bullish moves upward here. Watch out for key levels of resistance. We have the 0.618 Fibonacci zucchini line, 11 cents overhead, waiting to give us a hard time potentially. Watch out for 12 cents as well as we make our way to ultimately 14 cents. If we look at our previous kind of buy signals coming into play, we have the buy 4 on the 27th. We have the bull signal coming into play on the 31st as we made our way above support. Price action after that bullish area of accumulation experienced up to 91% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into $19,000, just about doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And so when two of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bearish on price action on the 24th of September, you were suggested to close your position, capitalizing on 44% in gains with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. So now, we have, this bullish area of accumulation representing itself here. So if you took profits, capitalized on those gains, you now can potentially re-enter the market with anticipated upside here based on these sort of current factors. Watch out for interactions of 0.10189 is going to be the key level of support here. We may sort of have an immediate pull back toward. However, I do believe we can start accumulating at current levels and anticipate an interaction with 14 cents. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Let me know what coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, we're taking a look at Matic coin against USDT. Price action making its way upward here. We have a bullish area of support found at $1.46. Price action plowing to and through key levels near current levels. I do believe $1.87 is showing buy pressure. We're watching out for our daily candles continuing to open and close above that key level to potentially confirm that as a bullish area of accumulation. Price action has been under the influence of these buy suggestions since the 15th of October when all 3 of our chosen Robo advisors became bullish on price action. We've already seen up to 39% in gains, currently sitting on up to 25% in upside at current levels with anticipated continued upside with no sell signals present. We're looking for continued interactions with support. The next key level of potential significant resistance is going to be waiting for us at $2.70, in my opinion, is going to be just a key level to watch out for as potential resistance as we make our way upward here. Once we've broken that level, confirmed it as support, we can expect continued upside. We're above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. Like as I mentioned, EngineeringRobo is bullish on price action. If you look at our previous buy signals coming into play, we have a bullish area of accumulation presenting itself near 94 cents per Matic on the 23rd of October. And then over the following 44 days, we experienced up to 84% in upside. And then on the sort of 46th day, on the 7th of September, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bearish on price action, suggesting you close your position, allowing you to capitalize on 44% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And so now with these buy signals back in play, interactions with support, I do believe we can anticipate continued upside. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Now, Ethereum against USDT, what do we have here? Price action still very bullish in my opinion. The buy pressure is very much present. We had that mild retracement back down to $4,468 where we were immediately bought up and we returned to those previous levels we came from. Price action now currently still a little sideways here as we reestablish the final levels of support necessary before we really take off. I do believe we are still heading toward $6,000 per Ethereum in the coming weeks to months here. It's very hard to be bearish on price action at current levels. We're always waiting for these key confirmations. We do have support waiting for us all the way down actually at $4,381 per Ethereum. That is a level that may present itself here before we make our way upward. However, that grows increasingly unlikely the tighter we stay sideways near current levels. So I do believe we are very bullish on price action, especially EngineeringRobo, bullish since the beginning of October. We have experienced, up to 33% in upside since those bullish suggestions came into play. I do believe there's no reason to be selling at current levels as we can anticipate price action will make its way upward once support has been found. We've been respecting these key levels ever since the sort of 20th of October here. I do believe 43.73 is going to be a key level of support waiting for us. We had very bullish interactions with 41.97 as well. However, the most significant bullish support came off of $3,917. All very bullish areas to be accumulating Ethereum with anticipated upside. Price action well above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting we're very much in an uptrend. I do believe price action is heading upward. Watch out for abrupt changes in momentum. Let me know what you're doing with Ethereum at current levels now. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency. What do we have here? We have price action experiencing that, very brief move downward here. We have prices coming from, $63,138 briefly coming all the way down to $60,500 and then immediately returning back to that $63,000 range, currently just below. Do believe the buy pressure is very much present. We've been in this very aggressive phase of sideways accumulation. Do believe this is a very bullish time to be accumulating Bitcoin with anticipated upside here. Technically, that sell to is present. However, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are still very much bullish on price action. This sell to does suggest perhaps immediate short-term, interactions downward, such as the ones we kind of just had off of support. Once support has been solidified, we are very much making our way to and through the multi-thousand-dollar range here, perhaps interacting with a 6-figure Bitcoin up to $130,000. That is still going to be my target for Bitcoin in the coming weeks to months here, perhaps sooner than later. Let me know in the comments down below where you think Bitcoin will go. Always watch out for these pullbacks and retracements. So we have the final level of resistance to perhaps confirm as support, $64,862 overhead, waiting to give us a hard time. Also watch out for $58,800 per Bitcoin as still the most bullish area of accumulation. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in and tune in for the next one.